Odinga ari kanitha-inĩ wa ACK mwena wa Kisumu athiĩte na mbere gũkũmithia arĩa maroka rĩu kurehe mawoni mao kwa BBI hamwe na kanitha, akiuga mugithi wa BBI nĩ ũrĩkĩtie gũkũra.
You see a leader confronting the president. Wait for us. We as church, take us on board. You have views. Where were they when people were giving church views to the steering committee? Where were they? This process has been on with us for the last 2 years, and church had equal opportunity like anybody else to give their views.
Odinga erĩte arĩa mataretĩkania na mendekithia ma riboti ya BBI rĩu meharĩrie kũrika kĩharo mang'ethanĩre nayo, kuona ĩyo noyo ndawa rĩu no BBI ndĩgũcerithĩrio rĩngĩ.
We are saying that if you don't want it, you have a democratic right to oppose and one vote no. Let those who want it vote yes. This is democracy.
The thing about BBI is simple. We are trying to get back to that road.
It is not true that the post of the woman representative has been abolished so that women can be nominated. That is a lie.
No nake munini wa President William Ruto uria aingĩ marauga ndarĩ aratarĩria mwena ũrĩa arũgamĩire wĩgiĩ BBI, augĩte matigwĩtĩkĩra gũtindĩkwo kona-inĩ ya kũregana na BBI.
Tukubaliane kama yale tunasema ni ya muhimu, tukubaliane ndio Wakenya wote watembee pamoja. That's what we are saying. Tunaelewana jameni? Mashindano tunajua tunaweza kushindana, lakini hatutaki kushindana kwa mambo ya katiba.
Our exam ni 2022. Mox ya leo, we will refuse the invitation.
We want to say we are not interested in a contest because we fear a contest. We are not interested in a contest because we know a political contest at this time is the wrong thing to do to Kenyans.
Ruto uria urahinyĩrĩria atĩ a Kenya mabatie kũheo kamweke ga gũikia kura harĩ o ũgarũrũku ũrĩa ũrendekithio nĩ BBI ũmwe thutha wa ũngĩ, handũ ha mogarũrũku macio marĩ hamwe na njĩra ya kũnyita kana kũregana na BBI. Arauga watho wa gĩthurano nĩ wĩtĩkĩrĩtie mũtaratara ũyũ.
And because we have more than one issue in this referendum, we have issues of elections, we have issues of representation, we have issues of the judiciary, we have issues of the executive, we have issues of devolution. There are more than one issue. Therefore, our law, the Elections Act, proposes that where there are more than one issue, like it is the case in this change of the Constitution, we should have a multiple choice referendum.
This is not the right time kuongea maneno ingine, because I think we have hii maneno ya corona inatusumbua.
So the priority, I am shocked that the priority can be BBI at this point in time.
Mkoa wakati
thutha wa ungania wa irore milioni 5,200 cia BBI gũkinyanĩra na kiumia kĩmwe, rĩu irore icio itanyitwo gũtwarĩrwo commission ya ithurano bũrũri-inĩ IEBC icithũrime na nĩguo ndereti ya kũgarũra gatiba yambĩkwo mbunge-inĩ ciothe cia kaunti. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.